We're gonna make two vinegar bombs. It's simple. All you need is vinegar and baking soda and a bottle with a cap.
Vinegar, baking soda, bottle, cap. That's right here. Okay, first you take the vinegar.
Fill it in at least an inch or two.
Okay, the most important part is to take off the plastic piece. Hold on, honey.
Okay, so we got that little plastic thing off. Now we're gonna fill up the bottle.
It's about a half a cup.
An inch or two.
1 inch or 2.
That's good.
Hold on.
There.
Wait.
Don't want to waste it all.
We're not wasting it all. We're making 2.
Okay. Anyways, so
Not
then
that much. Of vinegar.
Vinegar.
Vinegar, no water, no nothing.
Now napkins.
Yep, I got the
You
napkin.
need a tissue or napkin.
Tissues work best, but we didn't have any tissues, so we got a napkin.
Fill it up with baking soda.
Okay, take the baking soda, you pour it in a line basically.
There.
Soda. Put a line basically, and you roll it up. Like the burrito. And it has to be very fine. That can fit in the cap. Okay, then you take your cap, put this, hold it so it can actually tie into stuff in there.
Okay, there's what it's supposed to look like.
And you shake it.
Shake it.
Press it? Yeah. Okay, that could have been Dilly and hit right here where Maya is standing.
Look at this. Cap flew off.
Holy crap! Look at that! Hold it, wait. Look at that! Cap exploded! Here, where's the tissue and all that stuff?
It's over here. It's over here.
Did the tissue fly? Yeah. Everything flew and blew! There's the tissue.
making this one roll up into burrito.
Burrito. Okay, hold on.
Here's the cap.
Okay, film it.
Yeah, I am.
Okay, you gotta be very careful and very, very fast. So you can capture all the air.